And we're back to Mayorka's Hot Wheels workshop. So right now I'm going to show you exactly the great finds that I was able to get at the event, SoCal Hot Wheels Collectors event. Big shout out to them. Thanks a lot for making it happen, guys. SoCal Hot Wheels Collectors. So here we go. And special shout out to King Abel. King Abel, follow him on Instagram. He made it happen again. Thanks to him, I got a patch, the hat, plus the pins, and I forgot what this is called, but it goes around your neck. Alright, King Abel, thanks a lot. So we're gonna put these aside for a minute. Oh, check that out. Pedestal. It says billionth edition. I was able to get that at the event today. So here we go. Also, big shout outs to Riveras Hot Wheels. Riveras Hot Wheels, follow him on Instagram and on YouTube channel. Riveras, shout out. And because of him, well, I started opening it, but not completely. Bam. Look at that. The Nissan Hot Wheels Premium. Look at that. It's a little dusty today at the park. Man, you outdid yourself today, Riveras. Thanks a lot. Big shout out. You're making it big in that channel of yours. Let's make them breathe, like my friend Manny says. Whoa. Look at that. Wow. The Fair Lady. We got the Datsun wagon and the Skyline. Check that baby out. It says Grady, Yokohama. It's a beautiful paint job. Beautiful. Look at that transporter. Black wheels. Oh yeah. Tires. I'm telling you guys, go to these events and you will find treasures at a very affordable prices. And if it's not what you're buying, it's what you're swapping. So that's the beauty of these events. You could call it a swap meet, but it's a meet. It's a Hot Wheels meet by SoCal Hot Wheels Collectors. I do appreciate the fact that they're giving us a chance, and thanks to Andy and the rest of his crew. They're pretty much, I'm a new member, but they're the ones making it happen. They're doing all this hard work for us so we could take our things and sell or trade. And the beauty of this place is that you get to trade, and there's vendors that they're willing to trade, because it's all about the value of friendship, the value of obtaining what you are looking for, and it's so hard to get a hold of nowadays. So, alright, Riveras, thanks again. SoCal Hot Wheels Collectors as well. Now, I believe that his name is Pete. Bam. Thanks to him, I was able to get this beautiful Div Cruiser Culture by Jada D-Rods. Oh yeah. Beautiful paint job. Those wheels. Oof. Nice. There's this gentleman, his name is Eduardo. I was able to get this. We got the Nissan Skyline C210. By one. Look at that. First time I ever seen a purple one. Japan Historics. Whoa. Maybe I'm gonna keep this one in the box. Who knows? I'll surprise you. Lamborghini Huracan Coupe. Look at those slick tires. Wow. Chrome wheels. Nice. Marvel Doctor Strange. I've never seen this one. I mean, I probably missed out on it, but it's not a new model. But they're getting harder and harder to get by real riders. The last one, I got it from a good friend of mine. His name is Kent. Good collector. I mean, this is not new, but since I never had it, it's brand new. Bam. Supra, Toyota Supra. That's it. That's all you're gonna get. Toyota Supra. Not like the Nissan Skyline C210 and so on, but this beauty. It says Nido or Nido. Wow, it's like a burgundy color, maroon. Forgot. I also got these. They have bad cards on them. The corners are broken, but they're still nice. You know, we're gonna open them. So this is a 95 Mazda RX7. You know what we're gonna do with it? Wheel swapping. Also Hot Wheels. We got 41 Ford pickup from the same gentleman that I got this, the Supra Kent. Thanks a lot, Kent. Boom. Kind of forgot the name, but he's a very, very nice guy. He gave me this one, and I got this one with the tow hitch. It's 62 Nissan Junior. I don't do much of matchboxes, but I have something that's gonna be on that hitch soon. Maybe I'm gonna make up my mind and open it. Nice. And from that same gentleman, I got this. You know that I'm starting to collect the green light. So this is a trailer. I got it for $1, okay? Just because it's missing the ramps, but I don't care. It's complete. It's green. Probably painted black. Who knows? I'll make up something. Come up with something. Well, guys, time has come. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button, notification button, and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well at omayorga75. omayorga75. Pretty much every day I have something new on Instagram to show or show off, and I hope that you guys follow me. Also, you can follow me at Mayorga164, Facebook Mayorga164. Once again, thank you so much. Take care. Be safe. Thank you for your support. We greatly need it. And so we could bring more videos, more things to show you guys. And those friends that I've met through all these weekends, guys, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Everybody that I've met at Arroyo Seco Park, again, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. And we'll keep you on Mayorga's Hot Wheels Workshop. Take care. Bye.